some Garfish patties because my way is the only way and the best way. Anyway, so we got our ground Garfish. Got some, I think 2 small potatoes. And we boiled them, mashed them up real good for our binder. Anyway, I got a yellow onion I minced up really fine. I add some of that. It's just a half a small one. And I'm gonna add some green onions that I chopped up. Alright. Then we're gonna hit it with a little bit of little Tony's. A little paprika. It got my was all up in my stuff. A little onion powder. Woo! A little cayenne pepper. I think they're putting asbestos in the Tony's nowadays. A little garlic powder. Louisiana sprinkle.
What?
I don't like the smell, Daddy. On it, I just.
We're gonna take some flour. Kind of coat our pan or pot our pan. Coat our plate. The only seasoning we're gonna do in that is some black pepper and a little bit of salt.
Oh! He ain't happy. Oh yeah, here he comes. Here he comes. Come on, baby. Oh, he's a good one.
Actually, where's the garlic? I put a little garlic in there. Okay. Make our patties. Gotta get a little flour on your hands so that Garfish don't get stuck to you. Make your patty. All right. So we'll take that right to the grease. Alright, babe. Now we're just coming back with the finished product. That's where it's at. Thank y'all for watching. There he is. He ain't dead either. That's what we came here for.